When we think about what makes a hero today, could it be those whose dreams border on the impossible? We've had the chance to be in rural communities that are not connected to the power grid. Usually, their main light source is kerosene lamps, and most of the children have lung diseases caused by these lanterns. Since they have no electricity, no light, children have to do their homework under the light of gas lamps. That's why we have developed Light Drops, an amazing lamp that can have 8 hours of light just by using a glass of water and 2 tablespoons of salt. It can also run with seawater, which means that people living near the ocean can use the lamp immediately. There is no need to worry about having an accident, because this has no flammable components that could start a fire, making it a safer alternative to use. We want to provide a clean and sustainable energy. Approximately 1.2 billion people live with lack of electricity access, and a big proportion of these affected communities use kerosene lanterns as their main source of lighting, a bad economically and environmental choice. In Colombia, there are 1.7 million of people without electricity access, and they represent an important part of the most vulnerable population. We want to focus first in poor zones of Colombia, reduce the monetary cost, and at the same time have an important environmental impact. That's when we thought of inventing Light Drops, a salt lamp. It's a lighting system that uses salt water. As we know, it's the most abundant natural resource in Colombia, and this generates enough energy to power LED lights. When we developed the lamp, the first thing we wanted to do was to light up the rest of Colombia, the rural and marginalized areas that are left to fend for themselves. That's basically the challenge, to find the capital to start manufacturing and distributing them. We have such a monumental dream that it's nearly impossible when you think about it, and we may end up disappointing a lot of people if we're not able to fulfill our mission of lighting up the rest of Colombia. So this is our plan. Even though our first target are those zones of the country where people don't have access to electricity because of the poverty, we also want to offer another option of clean energy to entire cities. The government, one of the main stakeholders, we will look to invest our project with competitive funds and to help your communities. We must satisfy and make our product attractive and continuously improving to offer a good product to satisfy our customers. With our project, we seek to help and provide solutions to rural communities and to help to improve the quality of life of people who don't have access to electricity. Our headquarters are located in Colombia, starting to develop our project here. And after, we want to expand to different parts of the world. Firstly to Africa, where there is a high percentage of people with no electricity access. Our product offers clean energy and is a low-cost solution, so it can be accessible to everybody with a high performance, making it a perfect solution for poor communities, getting a reputation better and in consequence higher demand and profit, acquiring more support from the government and communities. And once we have improved our profitability, we can get into new markets and invest in research and development to be able to expand with a high level of stability.